Hello there. Today's video topic is about our comprehensive size guide. In today's insightful video, we'll thoroughly discuss how a comprehensive size guide genuinely helps us, and if we truly want to seamlessly add it to our product detail page, how we can effectively do that. Basically, let's suppose you are actively selling shoes or running a successful clothing brand and selling popular jeans or shirts, then the valuable size guide option is indeed very useful for you. Let's suppose there is a size guide option on your product page, then your user, your customer, will purchase the product according to their measurements. The benefit of this is that your reverse rate, your return rate will decrease. Now, suppose you want that. This is your product page. You want to add a size guide button on it, which is not currently displayed. So how will you add it? First of all, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard. There will be a product type in the sidebar. There will be a tab. You need to click on the product tab and edit the product you want. After editing the product, you will see multiple options. As you can see right now, you need to go to the Advanced tab. In the Advanced tab, you have the option for size guide image. If you were to upload an image here, for instance, let's suppose we have a comprehensive size guide image. We will proceed to upload this particular image and then subsequently update our product listing with this new information. Our product has now been updated. We will go and reload our front end so that our changes are reflected. We have added the size guide. We will be able to see whether it is showing here or not. You can see that we have added the size guide, but it is still not displayed on this page. So for that, I would like to tell you that you need to add a widget. This widget will help you fetch the size guide that is added in the back end. So for that, you need to edit the single page with Elementor. Elementor will give you the convenient option to easily add a new and functional widget to your website. We are now officially inside the powerful Elementor editor, a truly intuitive and comprehensive platform for website building. In just a moment, our meticulously designed page will be completely and fully loaded within the Elementor interface, ready for further editing and customization. You can see that our page has now loaded in Elementor. So now we need to add the size guide widget to it. If you come to the left sidebar and type size, you'll see two options. One is the simple size guide and the other comes with the value pack add-on tag. Remember, you should use the one with the value pack add-on tag and you can place it anywhere on your product. Let's suppose we want to place it here above the variation. We'll place it here. After that, if we want an icon, we can add an icon. If we want to delete it, we can delete it as well. We can change the color of the icon. We can change the text of the size guide. Let's make the color red. This is entirely your choice. Further, you have settings available. Go to Advanced. You'll have the convenient option to add some additional padding and so on. Now that we have successfully added the widget, we will proceed to save our important settings. So we've saved the settings, but here you might get confused as to why the display isn't showing up, even though your product looks something like this. So I'd like to tell you that if the widgets are added, if you assign these widgets by ID, then these widgets will display for you. So let's go and refresh our product page to see whether the size guide option is now being displayed or not. Now you can see that the size guide option has appeared for us. Anyone who comes to purchase a product will be able to click on the size guide and view it. They'll be able to order the product according to their own measurements. Here they can check the measurements to see which size would be best for them. After that, you have the variations tab where you select the color and you also have the size option. According to your measurements, you'll select your size, keeping the size guide in mind, and then you can either add the product to your cart or purchase it directly. So basically, this was the concept of a size guide, what a size guide is, and how you can add it to your page if you want to. I hope you won't have any further confusion. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.